there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a wig review of the Switch 4 from Wille in the color Safranred Rooted. I'm going to talk about this color a little bit more specifically in the color spotlight of the Safranred Rooted. So this is mainly going to be about the wig itself. And Switch 4, wow. This wig, it's asymmetrical. It's very short over here, long over here, and it's just so fun. I love the texture of this one. You do have to play with it a little bit to get it to look cool, but once you get it into position, I mean, it's pretty fun. So I love this texture. I just think that's so adorable. Let me just do a full 360 for you so you can see what this one looks like in more detail on all sides. Yeah, this one's super cute. I like this one. Now I know that this is like all of their fashion line wigs. In that, you know, it's gonna take a certain kind of person to be able to pull this off well. Like for instance, I can't wear wiki at all. I try because I think it looks super cute on certain people, but I'm just not one of those people. But this one's working for me and I like it. So let me go ahead and take this off for you now so I can show you the interior of the cap. The cap on Switch 4 is open, you know, and there's a little bit of lace covering up those wefts. A tiny, tiny monofilament crown insert, and something that blows my mind is like a little tiny itty bitty bit of a lace front instead of a whole lace front. But we do have open sides, an open back, an extended felt nape, Velcro adjusters, as well as closed felt here on the ear tabs, all of which are nice features. And here is that texture up close. I'm going to give her a shake. And let me put her back on for you now. This little fashion wig is super lightweight. It's only 2.4 ounces. It fits a little bit small on me, so I would consider this true to average, maybe even a little bit smaller. And it's definitely asymmetrical. It's kind of like all going this way. You can really fluff her up here on the sides to really accentuate the point. I mean, you can get a lot of body out of this wig. I mean, that texture just doesn't quit. It's so cute. So yeah, this is the Switch 4 wig by Wille, and it's part of their high fashion line in the color Safranred Rooted. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. We really appreciate having you around here. Thank you for watching our wig reviews, and I look forward to making more for you. Have a great night. Bye-bye.